Hey, what is up guys? It is Harrison Marin, the Millennial Entrepreneur, and in this video I want to teach you guys how to find the right group for you to hang out on LinkedIn. Now, if you don't know by now, LinkedIn is probably one of the most powerful platforms there is out there, especially in the business world. So how do you utilize it, right? Well, your profile is only going to do so much, but the key, in my opinion, to success on LinkedIn is groups. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly how to utilize groups for your advantage to potentially make sales and ultimately collaborate and talk to other people that are either in your industry or in the industry that you're looking to break into. So that could be sales, that could be connections, that could be a potential job, anything like that. I'm gonna cover it in this video. So right off the bat, I wanna say thank you guys for checking out this video. I do greatly appreciate it. Now, I spoke about LinkedIn groups and how to find them. I'm going to cut over to my computer, and in there we're going to find LinkedIn groups. But before we do that, we need to cover some ground rules. One, who are you looking to reach? That could be anybody from either connections to sales to getting a potential job or alumni, groups and organizations you're a part of, or anything like that. I honestly would say go get a piece of paper and write down 4 or 5 different things that you really want to join. And when I say join, you have to join and you have to be active. If you're not active, it's like going to the gym, right? If you do it once, you're never going to get results. You have to do it time and time again. And in this video, I'm going to tell you guys exactly how to be active in these groups and what you need to do to make those sales. So let's get to my computer. I'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty guys, so you're looking for a good group on LinkedIn. You're not really sure how to figure out what group is a good group on LinkedIn. So right off the bat, you're going to go under My Network. From there, once it loads, you're going to go to More Suggestions for You and go to Groups. This is what LinkedIn thinks is going to be a good group for you. Now, it's never going to be perfect, so please don't think like, oh, I don't see anything I'm supposed to have. No, this is just suggestions. Go through. Take a look at these groups, right? There's so many groups out there. There's more than enough for you to choose. I promise you there's probably a group in somewhere, some kind of way that you could find that is immediately applicable to your industry. Now, if you don't find that, that's not a big deal. Don't stress about it. This is only what LinkedIn is recommending. If you have buzzwords in your industry, like let's say I have search engine optimization, right? Search engine optimization. Now, if I do search engine optimization, boom, who's going to come up? It's going to show me 3 people that are potential people that I want to connect with, right? I've met one. We have some connections together, but I don't know a LinkedIn member, digital marketing specialist at Upwork, LinkedIn member, search engine optimization expert. That's not important. What is important is scrolling down and looking for the groups. Search engine optimization, 5,900 members, Google AdWords, SEO and SEM, 9,000 members. Use those buzzwords to find your niches. And in there, you're going to be able to find groups that you could either connect with. Now, you might not find the group that you're looking for because you're searching in the wrong place. I promise you, your ideal client is out there, but you have to find the groups that you really want to be a part of. So figure out, is it for you to learn or is it for you to get business? If it's for you to get business, you need to take time out and say, hey, where do my ideal clients live? What kind of groups are they going to be in? And then going to find those groups and trying to get into those groups. Requesting membership, showing that you have a couple connections in there. If it's something that you want to learn, search your buzzwords, search engine optimization, right? 3 groups came up as recommended. There's 1,260 results. If I click see all, there are so many groups on here that all talk about SEO and SEM and SMO, all of these different things. Take your time out. Look for the right group that's going to be good for you. Figure out what kind of group you want. Is it a large group or is it a small group? And be active. If you are not active in any of these groups, it doesn't matter how many groups you're going to be in, you will not get any benefit out of them. This is the shortest video I think I've made as far as being on LinkedIn, but I hope this helps. Trust me, the group that you're looking for is on LinkedIn. Take your time out to go find it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alrighty guys, welcome back. So I hope you guys found some value in this video, as I really do enjoy creating these videos. I think that LinkedIn is so underutilized, and I really wouldn't be making these videos if I wasn't killing it myself on LinkedIn. Now, I don't want to give all the tips and tricks away that I use, because there are probably other people in the media and marketing world that do the exact same thing that I do on here, and I can't give all of that information away. This is a shameless plug, but I do have an online course that is going to be launched. It'll actually be launched by the time this video airs, but it's going to teach you guys everything that these videos have in a completely nice and organized manner. But that link will be down below, so if you want, go check it out. There's a ton of free material on there that you can go click on, get totally for free. I'm just looking to help more and more people, but For me and myself, I find it very hard to just go around and do different things and learn from a million different people. There's no structure, there's no way, there's no proven tests that people take that show their exact process on how they close deals. So that's kind of why I created it. Now, if you guys found this video helpful, there's a ton of other videos in there, and I'm also going to be creating a ton of other videos on here as well, where not only is it going to have everything that I'm doing on a regular basis, but what I'm coaching my clients on how to do, and ultimately to add more value to you guys, because I want you guys to succeed. I genuinely do. When I say that, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. So that's why I keep making these videos. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. If you guys haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna put it right here. All right, it's gonna be right there. That little bell right at the end. Do that too. That way you never miss an opportunity to make another sale. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, see ya.